All right, solo camp. As you can see, it did snow last night. It was supposed to snow, they said up to maybe 12 inches, but it only snowed about 4. It had already had about 6 down. You can see I already cleaned snow off the rig. But how pretty is this, huh? Beautiful. I hammock camped. You can see there my hammock. Had a little table. You can see my hammock a bit. Lots of fun. You can see where I walked, but the snow is full cold. But the snow has filled up my prints. So, solo winter camp 2018. This is actually the same place I came in 2017. However, 2017, I only got a dusting of snow, and there was already 3 feet of snow on the ground. So I actually had to park down the canyon and hike up to here last night because there's already 6 inches of snow. What I did is I drove into this campsite and they already had 6 inches of snow down. You can see where the old tracks are there that somebody had driven. And so what I did is I came and I drove through it all. And I drove over it and over it and over it, and I packed it all down so that if it did snow a foot, I wouldn't have to drive out. I only have to drive that far. I'd only have to drive out on the foot of snow and not the 16 inches. So I just drove back and forth, back and forth. You can see underneath the truck. You can see underneath the Montero.